Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeff from Tinker Forward. Today I'm going to be taking a look at these starry string lights, perfect for decorating for any events, parties, or maybe just decorating around your house, sprucing up by curtains, wall spaces, and more. We're going to take a look at these up next. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. On this channel we do different lighting reviews as well as checking out lighting products. We do tech, toy, gadget reviews and more. So if you're new, please consider subscribing. So with the lights you get a pack here that comes with one set of these lights. They come all bundled up, and what we're going to do here is kind of open them up a little bit, unravel them. And this is what you're going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and plug these in. And as we start off here, all the lights start off being turned on. There's a button that's on the side of this black controller / plug. And that's going to allow you to put the lights into different lighting modes. So we started with one set of lights. If you were going to purchase another set, what you can do is actually connect them. So I have another set here of the lights, and each light set has two ends to it. So what I've done is found this end of the second set of lights. My first set, you can unscrew the plug, pop this plug out of the outlet, and then you can actually connect this right into the other set of lights. We're going to screw tighten it. And then using the plug on the second set, I'm going to go ahead and plug these in. That's a lot of light. So it says that each set of these lights uses 29 volts of power. They're also coated in plastic, and it does say that they are waterproof, so you can use these outside for maybe decorating or dressing up a tent or doing different event decorating for an outdoor venue. From our curtain rod here in our front room, I did not have to use any hooks. I didn't have to use any string. I simply took one of the strands of lights that hang down and wrapped it over the curtain rod at the top of the strands, and that held the lights up securely to the curtain rod. So with the curtain icicle lights turned on, I'm going to run through the different modes with you. So we've got an all solid on. We have a waterfall effect where it's kind of a fast fade on and off. We have another very similar waterfall, fast on and off running effect, but then it alternates between this and then it'll jump into kind of a slower on-off fade mode. We have every other bulb on and off, almost as if they're slowly running. We have every other bulb that's slowly fading in, and then it's going to slowly fade out. And then our other remaining bulbs are going to fade in and then slowly fade out. We've got a fast flash, which also does a pretty fast running effect. We've got every bulb that fades all the way on, and it's going to fade all the way off. We've got another kind of a flashing fast every other bulb on and off effect. And then we're back to all on. And in touching them, they are not hot at all. They don't seem to be emitting any heat, so I don't have to worry about them possibly burning through any type of fabric that's up against them, as well as not having to worry about them being a fire hazard. So overall, I'm very impressed with the icicle curtain lights. a lot of positive things that I found. I mean, the fact that they're waterproof so you can use them outside. Also, the fact that you can link several sets together, 2 or 3 sets, and then you can just run those off of one plug. That saves you from having to run a lot of extension cords and having extra plugs available. You're plugging in a lot of light and you're using very little power. Each string of lights is only using around 30 watts of power, and so you're using very low power consumption. You're able to brighten up a lot of those areas. So much cool stuff that you can do with LED lights these days. It's a great product. Hey guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me and checking out these really cool LED icicle curtain lights. I will leave all the link information down below so that you can check out the lights for yourself. Hey, I'd love to have you subscribe to our channel, so just take a second right now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and if you're new to our channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we release new videos on really cool products. Hey, my name is Jeff. This is Tinker Forward. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you soon.